Hello everyone, welcome back to Opto Insight. Today we are going to talk about a serious but often overlooked eyelid condition, which is entropion. If you have noticed that your eyelid is turning inward, rubbing against your eye or causing irritation, then this video is for you. We are going to dive into what entropion is, what causes it, and how you can treat and manage it. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Entropion is a condition where your eyelid, usually the lower one, turns inward toward the eye. This means that instead of sitting normally, your eyelid folds in and causes your eyelashes to rub against the surface of your eye, which can be very uncomfortable. It's important to know that this is not just a cosmetic issue. It can lead to some serious eye problems if not treated, such as irritation, infection, or even corneal damage. So let's break down the causes and symptoms of entropion. Entropion can happen for a few different reasons. Here are the most common causes, which are age-related changes, trauma or injury, congenital entropion, inflammation or infection. As we age, the tissues around our eyes, including the muscles that control the eyelids, become weaker. This can cause the eyelid to drop or turn inward, which is called senile entropion. Also, if you have had an injury to the eye or eyelid, like a burn, scratch, or surgical scar, it can cause the skin around the eye to pull inward, resulting in entropion. In some cases, people are born with entropion, where the eyelid is structurally malformed, causing it to turn inward from birth. And conditions like blepharitis or conjunctivitis can irritate the eyelid and cause the tissues to contract, which can lead to entropion. Now let's talk about how we treat entropion. The treatment depends on how severe the condition is. Let's break it down. For mild cases where the eyelid is not severely turned in, artificial tears or lubricating eye drops can help soothe the eye and relieve the irritation. Sometimes eyelid taping or bandages can help temporarily hold the eyelid in place. This is the conservative treatment, or you can call it mild treatment for mild cases. If inflammation is contributing to entropion, your doctor may prescribe steroid eye drops or ointments to reduce swelling and irritation. In moderate cases and in more severe cases, for or persistent cases, surgery is usually the best option. There are several surgical methods that can tighten the eyelid and restore its normal position. Procedure is usually done under local anesthesia and recovery time is relatively quick. While there is no surefire way to completely prevent entropion, there are some things you can do to reduce your risk, like protect your eyes from injury or trauma, maintain good eyelid hygiene, especially if you have conditions like blepharitis. Keep your skin moisturized to prevent dryness and irritation around the eyes. Regularly examine your eyes are crucial, especially as you age, to catch and any eyelid issues early. Well, if you notice any symptoms of entropion like eyelid irritation or your eyelashes rubbing against your eye, it's important to get checked out right away. You should go to your optometrist or ophthalmologist. The earlier you treat it, the better the outcome for your eye health. That's a wrap on our deep dive into entropion. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding what entropion is, how to spot it, and how to treat it. Always remember that don't ignore those little signs and always reach out to a professional if you have any concerns about your eyelid or eye health. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more eye health tips from Opto Insight. And if you have any question about entropion or other eye conditions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.